Hey there, have you been on a call where the prospect says, I'm too busy, and you just freeze? You don't know what to say next, so you mumble something like, oh, okay, maybe I'll follow up later, and then they give you crickets, they don't answer your call. Does that sound familiar? Here's the thing, I'm too busy isn't a rejection, it's actually an invitation to dig deeper. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to handle it using my Tele-GTM system and the method which I created called EIQR framework. Let's get into it. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Emmanuel. I'm a remote sales consultant and the creator of the Tele-GTM system. EIQR stands for Empathize, Isolate, Question, and Resolve. But here's the twist. Most salespeople skip the isolate and the question steps entirely. They jump straight to solving the problem without even knowing what the problem is. And that's a very big mistake. Let me show you how to do it right. Start with step 1, empathize. When someone says, I'm too busy, don't fight it, agree with them. Say something like, I hear that all the time, and it's like the world is some fast forward, and there's never enough time, right? This isn't fluff, it's about building rapport and showing that you're human. But here's the key, don't stop there. Most salespeople do, and that's why they lose out on the deal. Step 2, isolate the objection. This is where most salespeople drop the ball. They assume I'm too busy means I'm not interested. But what if it doesn't? What if they're just genuinely overwhelmed and your solution could actually save them time? Your job is to find out and ask a question like, just to make sure I understand, is it mainly the timing that is the issue, or is there something else going on? This forces them to clarify and gives you the intel you need to move forward. Step 3, question the objection. Now, this is where the magic happens. You're not just accepting their business, you're gently challenging it. But here's the trick. You're not challenging them, you're challenging their situation. Try something like, I totally get you're swamped. What if we could find a way to save you 5 hours? Would that be worth 15 minutes to explore? Notice what I did there? I reframed busy as a problem I can solve. And that's the power of questioning the objection. Let's go to step 4, resolve with a helpful rebuttal. This is where you seal the deal. But here's the thing, where your rebuttal has to be specific and tied to the actual pain points. For example, if they're drowning in admin work, you could say something like, what if I could show you a way to automate 80% of your follow-ups? Would that free up enough time for you to make this worth it? Boom, you just turn the objection into a reason to say yes. Let me break it down even further for you. The reason most salespeople fail at handling the I'm too busy objection is because they treat it like a wall. But it's not a wall, it's actually a door. Your job is to find the key, and the key is EIQR. Empathize, isolate, question, and resolve. Use it, and you not only overcome the objections, you will turn them into opportunities. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most creative way you've handled the I'm too busy objection? Drop a comment and let's swap strategies. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your team. Remember, I'm too busy isn't a no. It's a speed bump, and I will look forward to you using it to cross that sales goal. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.